Lisa Yakis, microbiologist in the Consumer Products Program at NSF International, and today I'm going to show you how to get the smell out of a sponge. You will need a sponge and a dishwasher or microwave. Step 1. Rinse your sponge with clean tap water to remove soap. Step 2. Squeeze gently to remove excess water. Step 3. Place your damp sponge in the microwave for 2 minutes a day to kill the germs and remove the smell. Be careful when removing the sponge from the microwave as it will be hot initially. As a reminder, do not microwave any sponges that contain metal or plastic pieces. Alternatively, rinse the sponge and put it in the dishwasher for the full sanitizing cycle. I'm Lisa Yakis, and that's how you get the smell out of a sponge.